Hey guys, so today it's been a very long week before the weekend. It is Monday and I decided I am actually looking for something. If you're like me, you put stuff away and it's so put away that you can't find it. So I'm going crazy around the house looking for it, and while I'm doing that, I'm also cleaning. So I am about to clean the closet that we have in our bathroom because I have a lot of skincare, hair stuff and stuff like that. So I decided to clean it out and organize it, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So here we go. So here is the closet. Here is the closet. It's full of junk. Like everything's just all over the place, hair stuff. This is supposed to be skincare and it's a mess. So yeah, we're gonna do something about this. And I actually picked up, so the whole restroom is a mess. If you guys can see that, I've been like moving around stuff. And so I bought these containers at Walmart for $1.25 the other day, which I'm so sad because I didn't find any more. I went today and of course they were all sold out. I'm glad I got a couple. So I'm gonna use these and kind of, organize the little areas. I actually, if you guys can see here, let me move this around. If you guys can see here, I actually have these acrylic ones. So I don't know if I'm going to use these or these, but probably the gray ones. Because I might use those for my makeup business, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So I think I'm going to move these, and yeah, let's get started. So first we're going to take everything out and kind of organize everything by I don't know if I'm going to keep my skincare here. I think I'm going to be moving it to my makeup room. So we are going to be doing that. So we're also going to check if anything is expired. If it is going in the trash, because skincare does expire. And I haven't touched a lot of this stuff in a while, so. So these are the little acrylic drawers where I have this stuff, but I think I'm gonna be switching them out for the gray ones just so it can look a lot more like uniformed. I don't know. I wish I would have found more of these. But these were on sale at Walmart for $1, I think, and or $2, and I got 4 at that time, and those are the only ones I have. So I think I'm gonna use the gray ones. Like makeup organizer that I've been using for like my sheet masks and little stuff here and there, but I think I'm gonna move this to the makeup room and just put this in one of the little drawers. I mean, one of the little boxes, or the little cubbies. I don't know what you guys call them. So yeah, I'm gonna take all this out. Make sure that the sheet masks are not expired because it's been a while. The little boxes, I got them for $1.25 at Walmart. I'm gonna use this one for any medicine that we have in this little pantry. In here, and I'm flipping them because on this side, oh, not this one, but they have the little stickers, so I'm just gonna be using like the back. And those fit perfect. So we are going to be putting any medication or anything like that we have, over the counter stuff, just because we like keeping it up here because we don't want baby girl to be getting in anything. checking expiration dates is very important as well. I'm gonna keep the off. The makeup remover, makeup oil. This is how this shelf looks. You can put labels on the little boxes. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but I did categorize it kind of. So this is, I'm gonna be putting like medicine, any NyQuil, DayQuil, whatever we use here. This is gonna be sheet mask and cleansers, like facial cleansers. This is gonna have the moisturizers and toners in the bag, face masks, and cleansing gels or facial washes. So it's all kind of has a like a spot. And then up here we have how hair stuff. So it's a bunch of hair straighteners and stuff like that, which I think I'm gonna be putting somewhere else. So this stuff is gonna be organized, and I'm gonna be throwing out some stuff, I believe. So here is how it looks after I organized it with some little cubbies and a lower drawer and just some glass containers that I had from the dollar store. So nothing too crazy. I know I'm just kind of everything's on a budget. I used a lot of things that I already had, like the drawers, the little glass jars. These I bought, but they were $1.25 at Walmart, and I already had that. I bought them for $2. So everything is pretty much stuff that I already had. It just needed organization. Next is my pantry, so you guys will see that next. But yeah, so I still need the rest of the restroom. Like my sink area is a mess because of everything I got out, but the closet here is clean and organized. Here are gonna be all the towels. I only have those two right now, but I'm gonna have the towels there. This, I have a bunch of hair stuff for baby girl, some contacts, some towels, face towels. Here I have Q-tips, some squares, like cotton to clean my face, my contacts. All these are skincare. This is a medicine cubby. Those are hair products, hair tools, hair products to do your hair and to dye your hair. Those things up there, that's baby girl's stool and her little toilet seat and a humidifier. And I have a little toilet over here and some extra toilet paper. So this is how it looks. I like the way it's all organized. So I like the way I organized it. I'm gonna fix up the sink, and whenever I'm done, I will show you guys. But yeah, that's how you can decorate on a budget with just things you have, or even just organizing. You know what I mean? Organization helps so much. So next we are gonna tackle the sink. All this stuff is stuff that I got out of there, so that's why it's a mess. But we're gonna tackle the sink, and then I will be right back. Okay, so sink area clean. So the restroom is clean. So the sink is clean, the closet's so restroom's clean. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I am bored at my house, but like I need to clean and organize. So I am being so lazy. Mondays are always like lazy day for me. My husband went back to work and it's lazy day, but I am looking for something and I can't find it. So organizing and cleaning is the best thing to try to find it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know if you guys want to see more. I'm gonna be doing my pantry next, so we'll see how that goes. So I love you guys. Bye.